A little while since I have walked you through the polytunnel and shown you the results of the electroculture in here. All I can say is it has gone absolutely nuts. Let's have a look. These are the potatoes. They've grown so big we've had to support the foliage with string, as you can see, because it was all falling by the wayside. These are the beetroot, onions and carrots, and as you can see it is a veritable jungle. And you can see the beetroot, if I can just get in here. You can see they're really getting to be quite a size. I don't want to pull them all up, but we've got 2 antennae in here, and clearly that's having an extraordinary result. This is sorrel, again, gone absolutely nuts. We're going to be harvesting that today. My spinach has shot because I can't eat it fast enough, so we'll be starting again with that, and the lettuces are going gangbusters. The tomatoes are doing amazingly, and again, we're having to stake them, which is kind of normal for tomatoes, but we'll see. But the big win here is, look at these. These are supposed to be courgettes. I've grown courgettes before. I've never ever had anything quite this size. And you know, I see what size they are at night, and I go to bed and I get up in the morning, and they've just gone huge. And we've got some lovely yellow ones coming in here that I can't wait to see how many of those we get, because there's nothing like lovely yellow courgettes.